Hey guys, how's it going? How to customize lock screen with iOS 18.1.1 update. So first of all, go ahead to the settings, go to the general, make sure that you updated your iOS to the latest version in order for this to work out. Now what you're going to do, you can just go back to the main settings, scroll a little bit down, click wallpaper, and you can just go ahead and click customize from the lock screen, right? And basically, sorry, you can just go ahead and see right here. You could customize the lock screen by removing widgets right here and add new widgets, or you could just change the clock font or to change the calendar if you want Arabic calendar or different calendar. And you can just go ahead and see right here the lock screen usually with the flash and camera in the previous updates. Now we can remove it and just click the plus button at the bottom right, let's say, or bottom left, and select your template. Let's have an example, this one, right? I'm gonna just take it back, and you can just remove the ChatGPT icon. For example, click the plus button at the top, bottom left, select the app that you want to use. Let's have an example right here, the recording for ChatGPT, and then hit done after you finish at the top, and basically that's it. Let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.